And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video I'll be doing the Piston token airdrop and my diamond team airdrop together. Going forward, I'll be making one video for both of these teams. But before we get started, make sure to come visit my channel, CryptoKoinz, subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell for the latest DeFi projects. Let's go back to my Piston token team. I see you guys commenting about particular strategies, how I'm going to carry the team, what are we going to do so that we can grow the team as fast as possible. I decided I'm going to be contributing on a weekly basis. Like that, it is the most efficient, and we don't miss out on any potential gains. My goal is that this meter never fills up. I'm always going to have the team grow. As of now, we have 36 members in my team, and right now my account has 126 Piston tokens. That's a value of $1,245. Now it seems like I'm getting a lot of team members with small deposits, which is fine. I don't mind. The upside to this is that I will be matching some of these rewards, so you guys don't have to worry about compounding or if I'm hitting the nitro daily. What are we going to do to strategize to grow the team as fast as possible? As of now, fortunately, the team is small enough as far as dollar amount goes for me to be able to match the team and have this gas tank running efficiently. I'm going to be contributing more than the available funds or me compounding on a weekly basis, so the whole team will have peace of mind as far as that goes. So let's start off here. I'm going to hit the nitro here and put these funds into the gas tank. That's about 3 Piston tokens, so I'm just going to add it back in there into the gas tank. I did compound once during the week, and now it's filled up again, and now that got processed there. So I'm gonna close that. So now my tank is halfway full. I still have plenty of gas available to go forward. So that was about 3 Piston tokens available. So let's go to my pit crew. This is what I'm going to do. There's 2 team members here. Let's zoom in here. There's 2 team members that have team members underneath them. We have Mr. The One and Do It Easy. So I'm going to give Mr. The One and Do It Easy 1 token each for building the team further. So I'm going to click here, send airdrop. I'm going to send him 1 token. Mr. The One, thank you for growing the team. So I'll send them 1 token. Confirm. Perfect. And let's go to the next one. Do It Easy. I will be sending you 1 token. Do It Easy. Thank you for growing the team and your efforts. Confirm. All right, perfect. I'm gonna close this. So Do It Easy and Mr. The One got bonus tokens. Now the airdrop function is available, so I'm going to do a group airdrop, and I'm going to airdrop 10 tokens today. I recompounded 3 available tokens, and I'm going to give 12 tokens. This is why I'm saying not to worry, guys, about compounding every day. As of now, fortunately enough, I can carry the team and give you guys more rewards while the gas tank fills slowly. This is good for the guys who have smaller accounts. Now, if you guys would like for me to deposit that money into the gas tank instead, let me know. I'm kind of doing the reverse as of now, since I can manage the team. If you guys want me to add these kind of tokens to the team instead of doing these airdrops, comment down below or let me know in the Discord channel. Let me know if you guys prefer nice airdrops or nice deposits. And that's basically how I'm going to navigate the team. We don't have to worry about the most efficient and the best way to compound, because I can match the team very easily as of now. That could be a later topic once I can no longer match it. I'm going to give 10 Piston tokens dispersed into the team, into 36 members, so everyone's going to get a few dollars worth of Piston token. Let's select the members. I'm going to select all. This is not working. I might have to do all of them individually. No problem. Okay, if the developers are watching this video, the all button function is not working. I have to individually select each member. Not a problem. So I'm still going to airdrop the 1 and do it easy. So everybody's gonna get part of this 10 token airdrop, and they did get those bonuses. Let's confirm this. Oh, I see the problem. There's not enough Piston tokens for each member. Minimum of 1 Piston per member. This is going to be a problem. I cannot drop 36 Piston tokens today. Unfortunately, I'm going to deposit this into the gas tank. Here, let's do this. I'm gonna give 2 lucky members 1 Piston token each. Unfortunately, I'm gonna select this member here, and I will go here to I love airdrop. Sorry about that. I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna send to these 2 members. I will deposit the remaining 8 Piston tokens back into the gas tank. I do remember a conversation I had with the developers. They will implement a random button in the future, but for now, unfortunately, this is what we have. So I'm gonna send that, confirm. Okay, time for the second one. Confirm. All right, airdrops have been sent. 0 fails, 2 members received 1 Piston token, and I'm gonna make a suggestion to the developers. I had to approve each individual transaction. In my diamond team, we can do 1 airdrop for the whole team, and it equally sends those tokens. This was a little bit less efficient, and it will definitely be a longer process as the team grows. So I will make some notes and suggestions there for the development team. That is the airdrop for today. I gave 4 members 1 Piston token. Now let's go back to the race, and I'm going to deposit the rest of the 8 tokens into my gas tank. Let's go to deposit, and let's type here 8. Let's approve this. All right, and after taxes, that's 7.2 Piston tokens. Let's close that. So now in the gas tank, we have 136, almost 137 tokens. That's about 1,345 BUSD. Okay, great. That is going to be the Piston token airdrop for today. Now let's go and take a look at my diamond team. We have about 30 members here as well. There's 139 BNB. I'm going to reinvest this and airdrop that amount. So I'm going to match the reinvestment here for you guys. Confirm this transaction. Perfect. We got that bonus. All right. Let's go down to the team. Let's refresh this. Let me get my team ID. Team ID 439. Let's scroll down. Team airdrop, team ID. Let's paste here 439. I'm gonna do 0.4 BNB here, almost 0.5, and I'm sending everybody an airdrop here. Confirm. All right, perfect. That is confirmed. And we see those numbers change here. So I basically airdropped almost 2 full BNB in the course of the team. So I definitely like my diamond team better, how I can group send an airdrop and it's 1 transaction. So I hope the developers are watching this video and we can implement these functions to the Piston token. I know these teams can grow to a massive amount of number, and if we want to do a 100 member airdrop, it's going to be very difficult. It's going to take up a lot of time. So that is today's airdrop, my diamond team and Piston token. If you guys want to join my teams, I will leave all reference links under the description of this video so you guys can get a piece of the airdrop. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell for the latest DeFi projects. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.